Namaste to all you beautiful souls. I am Ruchita Shankar and today I'm going to be talking about the chakra workshop that I'm going to be having in 3 batches this month. Okay, so this is the 11 of your chakra healing, chakra energy healing workshop. And I'm going to be telling you about everything that you're going to be learning. What are these 7 chakras and how exactly we're going to go about learning them in certain steps. Of course, I'm not going to give you an in-depth overview about how or what you're going to learn. That will be done on the first day of the workshop itself. It's an 8-day workshop. Okay, so you're going to receive all the workshop details in the form of videos, PDF articles that you have lifetime access to. Videos cannot be downloaded but can be watched over and over again whenever you feel like. Okay, they will be online. A link will be provided to you that can be accessed only by you. And the PDF articles will be sent to you that you are free to use, free to share even, but also keep the copyright because we put a lot of effort into making these workshops easier for you to learn. All right. Okay, now let's get into what are these 7 chakras. So, of course, the 7 chakras are not the only chakras in the body. We have a lot of other chakras. Okay, so what are these chakras? These chakras are energy circles. Energy circles. As we know, our entire body and our surroundings are made of energy. We have energy within us, all around us. Energy is everywhere. Energy is everything. You need to do something. You want to manifest something. How are you manifesting it? You are turning the energy into such a positive ball of energy. All your thoughts are becoming this positive bucket of energy, which then you're pouring onto the universe, and the universe is manifesting it for you. Right? So you have these energy circles within your body. And the thing is, if you know how to use them, well, you can make the most of them. You use them for your own benefit. You use them for your own good. So a lot of times we find that these energy centers in our body are blocked. Right? What we are going to learn is how to know which energy center is blocked. How to then cleanse it. How to release the blockage. And how to know which energy center or chakra is not being used. And how you can activate it, remove the dust it, clean it. So that again it can start working along with you, working along with your body, just being able to understand yourself much better and also able to use all of your positive energy and all your positive traits, all of the things, the talents that you have, put it into good use through these energy circles. Okay, and what you're also going to learn is the anatomy of your body. We're not going to go into detail of mitochondria and iliopsoas muscle, which is your hip flexor muscle. We're not going to go into that detail. Okay, maybe you'll go into a little bit more detail in level 2. So keep an eye out for that if you're interested. But for level 1, we're just going to learn how your spine is related to your 7 chakras and how to use that spine modulation to activate your chakras. How your food habits are related to your chakra. How speaking is related to your chakra. How creativity, jumping, playing, activity, how is that related to your chakras? That's what you're going to learn. Now, when you know this more in depth, you feel like you're not being able to speak. You know which chakra to activate. You're feeling like you're being too stressed out. What chakra to activate? Which oil to use? We're going to learn how to use oils and crystals to your benefit. Which chakra to activate, which oil to use with which chakra, how to use it, which parts of the body, where do you apply it. It just calms you down right away. So this is what you're going to be learning in all your 8 days, of course broken down. Okay, you're also going to receive phone wallpaper. So suppose on day 1 or day 2 we're going to work on a certain chakra and you want to work on activating that chakra. So you'll receive a phone wallpaper, up to you if you want to use it. These are free, you can even share it with your friends and family if you like. So you can put it as your phone wallpaper, maybe your lock phone wallpaper, so that every time you open or unlock the phone, that is the first screen that pops up. You remember to close your eyes and take a minute, read those chakra affirmations. So you're taking it all in, activating that chakra. Yeah. So anytime after this workshop, when you feel like a chakra is feeling blocked, you can use these chakra wallpapers, or you can just open them as an image and keep reading these affirmations whenever you feel like, whenever you're free. Right? So it's all your work, your dedication to your learning. So after this, you can practice your chakra healing by yourself. You don't have to get it done by somebody else. Of course, you can get it done by somebody else, but it's always, nice to know what you're doing before you get it done. Right? Okay, great. And one last thing I'd like to say is we're going to have a lot of quizzes. Right? So at the end of the day, there's going to be a quiz based on the day's work and also the previous day's work. Right? And in the end of all the 8 days, you're going to receive another quiz, which is going to have the data for all the 8 days. To know how far you've come, all the things that you have learned. Okay? And with this quiz, these quizzes are just for you. And you have to participate in the quizzes to receive your final certification for chakra healing. And this level 1 chakra healing can be used only on yourself. And you can also maybe use it on others, practice it on others, see if and how it works. And your level 2 will allow you to teach others chakra healing as well. So I hope you received all the information that you've been looking for, asking me, and maybe you've understood a little more about what you're going to learn. And if you still have any doubts, email me at ruchita@merakihealers.com. It is linked down below. Okay, you can email me, you can send me a personal message on my WhatsApp business number if you have it, or on @merakihealers on Instagram. Okay, so if you're participating in the workshop, I will see you there, and I hope to see all of you in that workshop practicing and learning along with me. So maybe each time I take a workshop, I include a lot more data, okay, because I'm learning along with you guys, and I'm learning what more you would like to learn, and trying to give you the most information that I can. Okay, right now we're having a base quarantine price, which is 1555 Indian rupees. This is also available for out of India candidates who can pay through PayPal. Okay, and after quarantine, it will go back, resume to its normal base price, which is 3,500 Indian rupees. Okay, which is $50 US dollars. All right. I think that is most of everything. If you would like to enroll for this workshop, all the details are down below. Okay, so thank you so much for listening to me. I hope you understood a lot more from this. This is just your base introduction video. This is how the rest of your videos are going to be throughout the 8 days, along with a lot of articles. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope to see you and work with you in the workshop. Sending you all the love and light. Namaste.